educators, thought leaders, practitioners, thank you for being here and allowing me to share with you a little bit about the journey of Let's Flip. It was not easy. It's really emotional as well because it's been a journey of almost 8 years. And anytime you want to do something that benefits mankind, the resistance and the walls are taller and larger than ever. And we went through that. We faced the wrath of that. Way back in 2014, when I first started drawing out the designs for Let's Flip, I had one intention in mind. How do you make it authentic? How do you make it real? I can do algebra, I can do calculus, I can do Pythagoras theorem, I can do physics, but can I see it? Can I just look up and I realize that the classrooms everywhere, and can I draw back subjects in pockets? That was the reason. It was just that simple. And then it kind of became bigger than that. It became about the voices of the people. What Let's Flip could do grew bigger and bigger. But it was really a simple tool. Let's ask fascinating questions and let the learners come up with unbelievable answers. And they were capable. And the journey started. And when it came to the corporate world, it was a lot easier. But when it came to education, everybody wanted to have still a one-size-fits-all. They still wanted to give me the contents, give me this, give me that, and I'll just use it. And that was the biggest challenge, because here we were saying that it has to be different, and yet we wanted the same. And anytime when it comes to educational technology, we are not changing the way we learn, we are digitizing something that is old. And that was the biggest battle that we had to fight and will possibly continue to fight over the next few years as we bring Let's Flip around. My humble request to all of you is, let's make learning a better experience for everyone, young and old. Let's make it a better experience. We put it into technology not so that teachers can be replaced. We have never felt that way. That would be an insult to myself and my team. I think educators are the greatest superheroes and the greatest superhero enablers. What we have to do is put these little gadgets into their pockets, like Batman. And that's really what we're doing. And this is not going to be an easy job. It really isn't. But with you, with all of you, I strongly believe we can make it happen. Thank you very much for being here. Please look at Let's Flip. Let us know what your thoughts are. And together strong.